Alright guys, so tonight on the menu we're gonna have some pork chops. This is actually pretty hot already, so we're gonna get some avocado oil in here. But I'm thinking this is gonna sizzle as soon as I throw the meat on there. Let's see. Ready? Oh yeah. So this thing gets plenty hot. I am not worried about cooking. Oh, Jesus. I'm not worried about cooking. I'm not worried about cooking anything on here. Um, this thing gets plenty hot. So yeah, let's let that cook up for a little bit. As I about, oh yeah, look at that. I singed my, I don't know if you can see it, but I actually singed the hair on my arm. Um, I guess I'm dangerous with fire. All right, guys. So it hasn't been on here that long, maybe a minute, and you can already see this thing is cooking it really well. I actually think these I can flip here after a little bit, but this thing is gonna work perfect, and it's actually on low. It's actually really comfortable. I'm enjoying the heat. Um, but no, we're gonna get the veggies coming out too here real soon. But yeah, I think we're gonna have kind of a nice camp meal for tonight, and enjoy some warmth as well. So you can see I just added the veggies in. These pork chops are cooking really fast. Um, I think, and you can hear it sizzling. It just sounds so amazing. But yeah, we're gonna let this cook up for a little bit. I'm gonna get my camp chair set up. We'll kind of get some food in our bellies. Simple meal, nothing real fancy here. But so far, this thing is cooking really well. I'm impressed with this, and for being on low, it actually feels really good. Um, but yeah, let me get a few things set up. I'll show you what it's like when it's all done. I'm probably gonna eat the thing out of the pan, so sorry for the caveman style uh, eating footage, I guess. But I like to not dirty more dishes than I have to. So we'll let's give this a few more minutes and see where we're at, and then we'll get some food in our bellies. All right, guys. So here's the meal we got. It looks really good. I like to put a little cheese on there because I like cheese. But let's take some first bites. This thing is actually, I'm pretty close to the fire right now. I mean, I'm probably maybe about a foot, and it's actually really warm and toasty on low. But yeah, I mean, I'm feeling flame all the way up here. But yeah, let's do some first bites here. Like I say, this is kind of a Mediterranean. There's potato, cucumber, some pepper. Mm, that's good. Yeah, that's hitting the spot. And our pork chop, look at that. Yeah, it's looking good too. Let's take a bite into that. Oh yeah, I seasoned that just right. That's good. Yeah. Mm. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this meal, so I will most likely see you guys in the morning.